Welcome to the Future Unlocked experience. A journey for the senses, designed for you to immerse yourself in our innovation process by seeing, hearing, and feeling how we push the boundaries of running, like we have done for over 100 years, so you can get to that place that makes you feel more alive. Welcome. Today, we enter a new era of running with DNA tuned. Our next generation of nitrogen-infused foams, seamlessly molded into the ultimate midsole. Made up of large cells for airy landings and small cells for electric toe-offs, expertly tuned to unlock a feeling of limitless energy for all types of runners.